got my boots on today, so these boots will be walking. Oh yeah, they're gonna be walking. I got to be very careful because we got a lot of cactuses out here. A lot of cactuses on this property. I got my hat on, so I'm ready to work. I am ready to work. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm just so glad to be back down here on the property. So glad to be down here on the property. Oh, yeah, I am excited. Hello. Say hey, everybody. Come on down and help us out. Come on down. So we're having a work day down here on the property today. So I'm going to turn you all back around, but the grass has really grown up, but it's been a while. But we're down here today, so I'm excited. I'm turning you back around. And there old Massey ready to go. Massey got a lot of work to do. Oh yes, got a lot of work to do. But overall, everything looks good down here. Just grown up a lot, but it looks good down here. Yeah, it looks good down here. All right. Well, I just wanted to give you an update. We are down here today. We are going to get it done. We are going to plant these pigeon peas. Pigeon peas. I love pigeon peas and rice. So I'm excited to see these trees grow and excited to see how big they're going to get. My husband was telling me that they can get about 6 feet tall. So that's a lot of peas. So I'm excited. Anyway, let me put you down and go help my husband here. And as you can see, he's working hard. He's been working hard all morning, y'all. Got up and put these pigeon peas in the bag, and we filled the water up. The ground is pretty wet. Not too wet, but it's just right. So we got to figure out where we're going to plant these trees at, and we're going to get it done. We are going to get it done. All right, I'll pick y'all up in a little while. Hang tight. Here's one of my palm trees here. No, you can't hardly see it. Right here. But I'm getting ready to clean out some of these weeds from around this palm. Here's my husband coming. Give me some gloves.
You're right. Oh, I got clippers too.
You got some clippers? Yeah, I clip that dead stuff off. Let me put these gloves on, y'all. And this is the other palm over here. And it's looking pretty good. Just got to clip them dead pieces out so they can go ahead and grow. And I got all the weeds cleaned up from around here. There's some of the weeds I threw over there. But I got that cleaned up. All right, y'all, let me get to it. I'm going to put y'all down. I'm going to get back to work. All right. There's Willie bringing a beautiful pigeon pea plant. Thank you, dear. All right. Let me get back to work. We got another palm tree over here. We getting ready to start planting these pigeon peas, but this other palm here, I got to trim this dead off of here. And I asked my husband, was I doing it right? He's the gardener. I'm not the gardener. So he said I did it right. So I'm just clipping these dead pieces off. so they can quit hindering the growth of the new growth. I'm gonna clip this off, get these clipped off. Anything dead, as my grandmother Mattie Ruth used to say, anything dead need to be buried. So we got to get this off of here, y'all, because it's choking. Okay. Yeah, it looks better already. See, I got this in off of here. Get this out the way. It looks better already. Already. Y'all, it's thundering, y'all. We got to move it out, y'all. We got to get it out. We got to get it done. It's thundering. All right, y'all. So we're going to get ready to start planting these pigeon peas on Lily of the Valley. My husband is taking them out the bag right now. He getting to it, y'all. He getting on it. My grandfather used to say, tighten up. We got to tighten it up. We used to be in the grove picking oranges when I was a little girl. When the storm getting ready to come, my granddaddy used to walk around, tighten it up. So that's what we doing. We tightening it up. We got to get it done. Tighten it up. Yeah. Got a lot of cactuses. Oh yeah, I see how he got them. That's nice. Nice. Very nice. And you can see the soil. It's a little damp. It's not. And this here, where we at in Polk County, it's a sandy soil. Very sandy. But thank God they've been getting a little rain. So this is sandy soil here. See how he had them in the grow bags, y'all. See that grow bag? Now he taking it out the grow bag. Ooh, look at all that pretty black soil though. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yeah, mix it right on in. Beautiful. Yep, beautiful. So he been busy already this morning. We leaving them about like 10 feet apart. So when they do grow big and people start parking in the parking pad area, they won't run over hopefully they don't run over the tree. So 10 feet apart should give somebody plenty of room to park on the parking lot without running over the pigeon peas tree. Okay. All right, well, we're going to keep it moving. I'm going to help my husband here. We're going to keep it moving, y'all. All right, y'all. Well, we're back. We're looking at the clouds. Uh-oh, I feel raindrops. We're looking at the clouds. They was clearing up, but then I felt a couple of raindrops. But we right here next to the vehicle, so we got to jump in. That's what we're going to do. But we got quite a bit planted. You probably can't tell because we got all this grass. But he did get quite a bit planted. But we're keeping an eye on this thunderstorm here. Keeping an eye on the thunderstorm. See them clouds? And I do feel a little bit of raindrops. All right, y'all. We're gonna monitor this situation here in the situation room. We're gonna monitor these clouds here. But I think it's moving out though. So we'll see. It looks like it's moving out. It looks like it may be moving out. Yeah, it's moving. I felt a couple of drops. That's about it. So I think, and it was thundering. I ain't see no lightning, but it was thundering. So I think it's safe to go ahead and we're gonna get back started on this thing here. And I have watered some while he planted some. I put some water on some of it. So I'm gonna turn you around so you can see. Yeah, this is one here I put a little water on. So I'm glad we brought the water on down because we might have to put some more water on here. Okay, I just wanted to show you how I'm watering these plants, y'all. I'm just kind of sprinkling the water like this here. 'Cause I don't want to pour it directly on. I don't want to wash the soil away. So I'm just kind of mimicking if it was raining. Like that. Just kind of mimic the rain from above. Yeah. So.
Hey everybody. We're getting ready to head out. We've been out here for a while today. Planted about 35 pigeon peas plant. Just finishing up now. Kind of lightning. It's not lightning, but it's thunder. You hear thunder in the background. So don't get out of it. And thank God, it's been cloudy all day. See that? Cloudy all day today. That's wonderful. That's a wonderful thing. Okay, you see Aquilla out there. She's working hard today. She did a great job. Thank God for. Praise the Lord for a wonderful day. Cloudy most of the day. Say goodbye to the people, honey.
Goodbye, Little Valley Community family. Love you. We got it done.
Videos like these. Don't forget to like.
Make sure you
subscribe.
like and subscribe. And we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.